Hello and welcome back all of you. In this video we are going to solve this system of equations where 11 to the power x plus 11 to the power y is equal to 132, x plus y is equal to 3. Using this information we have to find the value of x and y. So all of you watch this video till the end and please thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's name this equation as equation 1. We are going to use this equation to find the value of y. From equation 1, if we subtract x on both sides of this equation 1, we will get the value of y. Y is equal to 3 minus x. Let's name this equation as equation 2. We are going to use this equation 2 to put the value of y in this equation. 11 to the power x as it is. 11 to the power y is 3 minus x is equal to 132. 11 to the power x plus this 11 to the power 3 minus x is as same as 3 plus in bracket minus x is equal to 132. 11 to the power x plus, for that we are going to use a power rule. That power rule is, if a raised to power m plus n, we can write this as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So we can write this as 11 to the power 3 times 11 to the power minus x is equal to 132, which is equal to 11 to the power x plus 11 to the power 3 mean multiplying 11 3 times. So this will give us 1331 times 11 to the power minus x mean we are going to take its reciprocal, so the power will become positive, is equal to 132. Now we will take the LCM. LCM will be 11 to the power x. Here we will get 11 to the power x whole square plus 1331 is equal to right hand side as it is 11 to the power x whole square plus 1331 is equal to, this 11 to the power x is going to be multiplied by 132. 132 times 11 to the power x. We are going to let some values here. Let this 11 to the power x is equal to m. So putting this value of 11 to the power x m in the given equation over here, so this will become m square plus 1331 is equal to 132 times m. In the next step we are going to take this 132m to left hand side, so it will become negative 132m, and this will be equal to 0. Now this becomes a quadratic equation and we are going to factorize it. We are going to find the factor of minus 132. So that will be minus 121m minus 11m. After addition we will get minus 132 and after multiplication we will get 1331. Taking m common from the first two terms, we will get inside m minus 121 minus 11 common, so m minus 121 is equal to 0. Means that we got the two factors m minus 121, m minus 11, and these two are equal to 0. It means that either m minus 121 is equal to 0 or m minus 11 is equal to 0. If we take this 121 to right hand side, so it will become positive 121, and if we take this 11 to right hand side, it will become positive 11. We got the value of m. Now we have two values of m and we are going to put these values of m in that equation, which will let over here 11 to the power x is equal to m. and m this time is 121, and we can write this 121 as 11 to the power 2 because 11 times 11 is 121. If bases are same and equal, we can equate the powers. So by equating the powers, we get the value of x, which is equal to 2. Now we are going to solve the second case. This time m is equal to 11, and we are going to put this value of m in that equation. 11 to the power x is equal to m, and this time m is equal to 11, and this 11 is as same as 11 to the power 1. Bases are same and equal, we can equate the powers. So by equating the powers, we get value of another x is equal to 1. We have values of x, but we have to find out the value of y. So now we are going to put these values of x in equation 2. Equation 2 is y is equal to 3 minus x. If x is equal to 2, we get 3 minus 2, 1. Y is equal to 1. And let's solve this case now. Y is equal to 3 minus x. So x is 1, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, y is equal to 2. We get another value of y. It means that we have two values of x and two values of y. We have solution set. Two solutions we have when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, 2, 1, and when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. This is the final solution set. I hope all the steps are clear. You can go through all the steps once again. If you have any question, any query, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. You can visit the channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.